Greetings everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have a NASUTOCERATOPS. We have the Beast of the Mesozoic and the Dino Rivals, NASUTOCERATOPS. Okay, so we'll start on the Beast of the Mesozoic. We got a yellow one here with brown horns. I don't think they make this anymore. It has a smaller version. It has many articulation in it. It had a faded beak right there. I don't know if that's a fact or defect or not. But yep, you can move the mouth, I believe. Yes, it opens up. Okay, and we have the Jurassic World Dino Rivals here. Has no sound. There's a DNA scan for you guys. This one has a goring action and a tail action. Right there. So we brought this out because of the Jurassic World Rebirth NASUTOCERATOPS. Finally, this one has a variant now. And of course, the best part is it has a sound. It's a wild roar. Okay. So we already did the Baryonyx and the Maiasaura. We haven't done this yet. This is probably in the next 2 or 3 days, the Utahraptor. But it's almost June 1st. That means they're going to be releasing all the new toys. That's the street date of the new action figures. Alright, let's bring this boy out. Cool. New sculpt, I believe. Now we'll take out the tail. Okay, let's put this over there. Nice. Now put the tail on. There you go. So there's the DNA scan. I don't think it works yet. No buttons anymore. You just move the tail up and down or turn it. There you go. Very nice. Up and down. Super cool. So we'll check the body if it is a new sculpt. I think the Dino Rivals has a beefier body. I'm not sure if it's new. If it's a newly sculpt. The horns are obviously different. I wish they made the horns a little darker here. Okay, you can finally see the eyes. They painted yellow, but this one they didn't paint it for some reason. I don't know, they probably forgot about it. So weird. There you go. Very nice. They actually updated the frill as well. It looked better now than the classic one. Way better. Now the belly part, you could see they changed a lot. There's the sound over there. Much better. The tail also looks different now. It's actually even wider. They really updated that part because of the moving part. See? Obviously this one doesn't have that. So this one's way better now. This NASUTOCERATOPS is way better. Let's compare the Beast of the Mesozoic. Alright, we finally have 3 NASUTOCERATOPS now, which is really super cool. Very nice. Cannot wait for the Spinosaurus Hammond collection. The Mosasaurus, the Titanosaurus coming this Sunday. And of course the Hammond collection, Troodon and Stygimoloch. And the what else? The Velociraptor Tiger. Yep. Also, I want to show you my custom paint Triceratops. So this is the original right here. And here is the custom paint now. The color is inspired from Beast of the Mesozoic Sinoceratops. You could tell. There you have it. I glossed it up. It looks way better. What do you think, guys? There you go. Look at that. Look at this beauty right here. Way better. Instead of buying the actual thing, it's like $80, I think. But so I just painted it. Now, this Triceratops has a variant now, see? Look at that. Look at that, huh? The back as well is frill. I painted it. Still works. We twist it. There you go, see? Uh-oh. I think that one, the neck got a little hard. I think, I don't know, I don't want to damage the paint. So So we'll just leave it that way. But yeah, way so much better. See that? Alright guys, now let's go back to our main topic here. Our NASUTOCERATOPS. You can move its arms. Yeah, that's nice. This one that can't do that. See, it doesn't have the articulated, it can't even move. There's no articulation in it. At least this one has it now. Much better. Oh yeah. Alright guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good weekend. Bye for now.